Today I'm going to compare my favorite golf shirt, the Under Armour, to the Amazon Basics. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You don't have to like golfing to wear a golf shirt. Polo shirts are in, and golf shirts just tend to be great for all sorts of activities. Now, this is an Under Armour heatsink golf shirt. They come in a variety of different weaves. This one is kind of that tight weave, and it is something like 95% polyester and 5% elastane or something like that. I'm not even sure what that is, but let's just call it a polyester. And this works really well. This is pretty much my go-to wear for the golf course, and it's really nice and has some SPF qualities as well, but it feels good on the body, and it seems to vent pretty well, and it doesn't seem to show sweat because I definitely sweat a little bit. They are pretty nice, and in the corner here on the chest, you will be advertising Under Armour. Now, because of all of those qualities, this has been my go-to shirt, but I recently picked this up from Amazon Basics because it is also a polyester shirt. It advertises itself as 100% polyester, and it advertises itself as activity friendly, which is going to make it nice for golf. I would say that the collar here seems to be the same, and other than the design here, the material also feels kind of slick and nice, kind of like you would expect on a polyester. This one is just a little bit different. It has a little bit more of a knit weave as opposed to kind of that smooth, silky weave. I know some of those Under Armour shirts also have some different types of weave, so that's just a difference here, but it still feels nice in the hand and it feels pretty light. So as you can see here, 3 buttons up at the top, and I got this one in the same size, large. And for those of you that care and wonder where it's made, a lot of us do, this one is made in Madagascar. So my entire education about Madagascar comes from animated movies. So let's put it on. Alright, so got it on and it feels nice. I will tell you what, if you didn't tell me this was an Amazon Basics shirt and you just handed this to me and I threw it on, I would say that it's one of my Under Armour shirts. It feels nice and light, it feels pretty smooth, so it feels like something that I can wear even on a hot or humid type of day without getting uncomfortable. And I would also say that because I wear a large in both the Under Armour as well as this shirt, this also feels like it is just about the same size across the board. Now, I would say that maybe this is just a hair longer down on the bottom here, but maybe an inch or something. So it feels like there's a little more material going down, but otherwise it fits just about the same. Now, I have ordered a couple of these Amazon Basics shirts for a couple of reasons. So let me tell you that I have gone out and played with these. I've been outside with these, and they just feel good in every way that I care about. They have performed just as good as some of my more pricey Under Armour shirts. Now, that's the other thing that I want to tell you is that when I get the Under Armour shirts, I try to buy them when they are on sale. I try to buy them when I can find a good deal or a coupon code, because they can easily be 30, 40 bucks a shirt, and that's pretty expensive. But these Amazon Basics shirts are only 16, which is why I picked up this one too, because I know that I have been enjoying them. So if you want to save yourself some money and get something similar, it won't have the advertising for Under Armour or Amazon Basics on the breast here, so you're not going to be doing that. And even if you wanted to advertise, I would suggest getting a shirt like this. But for you that are active this summer, going outside and wondering, hey, can I buy a $16 Amazon Basics shirt that will work as well as some of the other name brands? I think you'll be impressed. Hey, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
If you wanna know about a brand, ask me. I'll check if what's in the bag's nasty. Better if you know what's up than the unhappy. I know what it feels like when you're done cashing. You tried their meal or drive their vehicle, garbage delivered at your PO. I know you feel you wanna scream, your head hurts on your pillow.
Discover more.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Explore deeper.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Live better.
Today I'm gonna